Hello there guys, welcome to Dinos Vault. Welcome to another weekend vlog. Here is the man, and if this man is in the frame, that means there's some supercar around. So we are driving in one. This is the Lamborghini Urus, and it gets a peelable paint. Again, one of one, super exclusive in the whole nation. So Nishant, can you tell us about this?
So hi everybody, so we've done a Nardo grey shade on this Lamborghini Urus. So guys, this is peelable paint which is called Topaz Skin.
Okay.
It's a peelable technology.
Okay.
It doesn't have any glue below the paint.
Okay.
Like how wraps does have gum below the paint.
Yeah.
It is always a risk to the paint.
Okay. So this doesn't damage the paint, you mean to say?
No, it is 100% safe technology. Okay. It is from UK. Okay. It's from a brand called Engine Co.
Okay, it's one of the leading brands, I suppose, right?
Yeah, if I am not wrong, you have seen Supercar Blondie Rolls Royce, which is also done with peelable paint, the same brand. Okay. In Dubai. Okay. And that's called Topaz Skin in UK. Okay. In Dubai, it is called Car Dip. Okay. And this is the latest technology.
So this is instant healing or self-healing?
So we're gonna add up Kawacha instant healing PPF film on top of this peelable paint. Okay. Which will give a instant healing property. Okay. Makes the peelable paint scratch proof. Okay. It's a 250 micron thickness peelable paint.
And gives a super hydrophobic effect as well?
Yes. So what we have done is we have done peelable paint. On top of peelable paint, we have applied 6 layers of Ceramic Pro 9H. Okay. And then we apply a Kawacha PPF. Okay. So this also offers that ultra gloss that Ceramic Pro is known for. Yes. So here you have it, all the details about this super exclusive job done by Saboo Ceramic Pro yet again. And yes, this man doesn't seem to surprise and doesn't compromise on quality at any extent. So doesn't seem to stop at nothing. He wants to reach for the top, and the way to it is sheer perseverance and persistence, and let your quality do the talking. And that's what Ceramic Pro is all about. That's been always the case with Ceramic Pro. And go ahead, enjoy the cinematic shots of this amazing beastly beauty.
This is the story about a kid in the dream. A story about the people just making it sing. Like he cannot do it cause y'all don't believe. But the kid doesn't need you, cause the kid is a beast. The kid is a beast, the kid is a beast, and he's just gonna go get it. Man, it doesn't really matter cause he's been through the pain. When he's been in the place and he's like damn it, I don't need to listen, I don't need permission, I just gotta go and really do this. And I don't really need to give it now to all these people acting all stupid. Yeah, trying to tell me what I should do when I'm done with you. Cause I got a list of things that I really wanna do. And you ain't gonna take that from me, I'm my own person, I feel free. So I'ma just do as I wish, I'ma just do as I please. Hey. Does as he please, cause the kid had to bleed, but the kid was determined, and now we achieved. So here's the truth, you'll finally see that you can really do it on your own terms if you fight and believe. If you have a passion, then better chase it, otherwise you'll be a ghost. Working 9 to 5, doing things that you are not supposed. So passionate in your soul, and you feel it cutting close. Yeah, cutting so close, you sit in the cold, you feel like you froze. Honestly, man, well, you're only just getting them no's. But you wanna be on the field, playing with all of the pros. Honestly, now you are down yourself, and do it like bro, yeah, man. I'm feeling convicted, I'm feeling this doubt in my system, don't know if I can. So I'm telling myself I should quit, I'm telling myself that I should go be a man, cause I feel like I never will make it. But with the mindset, you're mistaken. You can really do it if you really want it, but instead you took the temptations. Temptations, going crazy, I mean you used to be like this kid, but now you envy and it makes you so sick. Man, listen here, you missed your shot, but not this kid, cause the kid is gonna do it, yeah, he's gonna make it big, like sure. about a kid in the dream. A story about the people just making it sing. Like he cannot do it cause y'all don't believe. But the kid doesn't need you, cause the kid is a beast. The kid is a beast, the kid is a beast, and he's just gonna go get it. Man, it doesn't really matter cause he's been through the pain. When he's been in the place and he's like damn it, I don't need to listen, I don't need permission, I just gotta go and really do this. And I don't really need to give it out to all these people acting all stupid. Yeah, trying to tell me what I should do when I'm done with you. Cause I got a list of things that I really wanna do. And you ain't gonna take that from me, I'm my own person, I feel free. So I'ma just do as I wish, I'ma just do as I please. Hey, does as he please. Cause the kid had to bleed, but the kid was determined, and now we achieved. So here's the truth, you'll finally see.